this video, I'm going to show you how you can use promo cards to promote your music onto places like Instagram stories, YouTube stories, reels, and even little TikTok videos if you wanted to, using DistroKid. So let's go ahead and sign into my account. So we are signed into my account, and you guys can see my two releases here. I'm going to use one of them for the example. But here at the bottom, we got 4 quick links: hyperfollow, promo cards, playlist spotlight, and the Visi video generator. So we're going to be using the promo cards feature here. And if you guys don't see this, or if it's not there in the future, you go to goodies, promote yourself, and then it'll be right here. So we'll click on this, and then here we're gonna have to choose a release. So I'm gonna choose Waves, which is the newest song, and then generate promo cards. And instantly it'll generate these cool looking promo cards. Again, this is for like Instagram stories, YouTube stories, all that. So pretty cool feature in DistroKid, and it's great that you can use this to market your music. So here, in order to download this, if you're on your phone, all you have to do is long press the picture, and then it'll give you the option to save the image. Or if you're on the computer, you click on it, and here I'm on a Mac, so it'll tell me, email, messages, airdrop to my phone or to another device and all that. So that is how easy it is to create these. You can have it on Instagram stories with your music playing, as you guys can choose it on their music library if you already have it out, or you can just use this as a preview. But that is it for the promo cards. Now, this is not a sponsored video by DistroKid, but I just wanted to show you the free promotional tool that they got here. And if you guys are interested in signing up with DistroKid, I do have a VIP link, 7% off your first year membership. Check out the link down below or here on the screen, I'll have it. But thanks again, you guys, for watching. Check out my other videos for DistroKid videos, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.